right, so $400 party, average party, that's 10 people, 10 of your friends ordering $40, right? You got that $400 party. You're gonna get $140 in free books. That's your rewards, awesome. You're gonna get $100 in commission. So if you bought the mini kit, that's gonna pay yourself back, right? So your hubby will like that. He's gonna pay yourself back. All right, and you're gonna get the $50 in free credit because you're gonna do it in your first 30 days. You're gonna get the awesome tote because it's the special. I mean, it's great, like, why not? That's why I'm like, why not? Why not do it? The best thing is that when you join our team, you're gonna have a team leader. She's gonna walk you through all of this again. Her job is to help you get everything straightened out and help you get started and just make the most of your new business. Do not wait. This tote is going to go. It's gonna go super fast, so don't wait. Cannot wait to welcome you to our team. So excited. Thank you again for your time.